Hey woodworking enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into the world of benchtop planers, the essential tools that can transform rough lumber into perfectly smooth surfaces. Before we get started, make sure to check out the product links in the description below and don't forget to check the first comment for exclusive deals and updates. You know that feeling when you're working on a project and your wood just isn't the right thickness? Or maybe you're tired of spending a fortune on pre-dimensioned lumber? Well, you're in the right place because I've spent countless hours testing these 4 amazing benchtop planers to help you make the perfect choice for your workshop. In this comprehensive review, we'll be looking at the DeWalt DW735X, the Craftsman CMEW320, the Makita 2012 NB, and the Wen PL1252. We'll break down everything from power and precision to dust collection and portability. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a serious woodworker, by the end of this video you'll know exactly which planner deserves a spot in your workshop. And here's the best part, I've actually used each of these planers on real projects, so you're getting honest hands-on experience, not just specs from a manual. Plus I'll share some insider tips on getting the most out of whichever planner you choose. Stick around until the end, because I'll be revealing which planner offers the best value for money, and I'll share a special trick that can extend your planer blade's life by up to 40%. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more woodworking tool reviews and tips. DeWalt DW735X 13-inch thickness planner. Let's start with the heavyweight champion in the benchtop planner category, the DeWalt DW735X. This beast of a machine has completely revolutionized how I handle large woodworking projects. What immediately stands out is its powerful 15-amp motor that effortlessly handles hardwoods up to 13 inches wide. During my testing, I ran some rock-hard maple through it, and it didn't even flinch. The 3-knife cutter head spinning at 10,000 RPM delivers an impressive 96 cuts per inch, resulting in a finish so smooth you'd think it was already sanded. What really sets this planner apart is its 2-speed gearbox. You can switch between 96 or 179 cuts per inch, giving you the flexibility to choose between faster material removal or a finer finish. I found the feed rate of 14 feet per minute perfect for most projects, and the automatic carriage lock reduces snipe significantly, a common issue that plagues many other planers. The depth capacity is substantial at 6 inches, and the depth gauge is incredibly accurate, reading in both imperial and metric measurements. The fan-assisted chip ejection system is a game-changer. It literally shoots the chips out with such force that you rarely experience any clogging issues. Plus, this model includes the tables and extra knives right out of the box, which is excellent value for money. However, it's not without its quirks. At 92 pounds, it's definitely on the heavier side, and you'll want a dedicated space for it. The noise level is also considerable. Ear protection is absolutely necessary. But these minor drawbacks are easily outweighed by its superior performance and durability. Craftsman CMEW320 15-amp benchtop planner. Moving on to the Craftsman CMEW320, which has proven itself to be a reliable workhorse for medium-sized projects. This 15-amp planer handles boards up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick, making it versatile enough for most hobbyist needs. What impressed me during testing was its consistent performance across different wood types, from pine to oak. The 2-blade cutting system operates at 8,000 RPM, delivering 16,000 cuts per minute. While this isn't as high as the DeWalt, it still provides a remarkably smooth finish for most applications. The built-in material removal gauge is a thoughtful addition, helping you avoid taking off too much material in one pass. I particularly appreciate the Poly V cutter head drive system, which significantly reduces noise compared to traditional chain drives. One standout feature is the oversized depth adjustment handle. It's easy to grip and provides precise control over your cuts. The adjustable depth stop is another practical addition, allowing you to quickly set up repetitive cuts. However, what really caught my attention was the return rollers on top, making it much easier to handle longer boards when working alone. The dust collection system is adequate, though you'll definitely want to connect it to a shop vac for optimal performance. At 72 pounds, it's lighter than the DeWalt, making it more portable for those who need to move their planner around the workshop. Makita 2012 NB12 Portable Planner. The Makita 2012 NB is where precision meets portability in the world of benchtop planners. This compact powerhouse has consistently impressed me with its ability to deliver professional-grade results in a more manageable package. The 15-amp motor drives the 2-blade cutter head at 8,500 RPM, and what sets it apart is the incredibly smooth and quiet operation. Makita's internal lock automated head clamp eliminates snipe better than any other planner I've tested. The feed rate is adjustable, which is a fantastic feature when working with different wood species. I found that slowing down the feed rate on harder woods produces an almost glass-like finish. The planer handles boards up to 12 inches wide and 6/332 inches thick, and the depth adjustment is incredibly precise, with clear markings for both imperial and metric measurements. What really makes this planer stand out is its LED indicator system that alerts you when you're approaching the maximum depth of cut. This seemingly simple feature has saved me from potential mistakes numerous times. The 4-post design with diagonal cross supports ensures exceptional stability, which directly translates to more accurate cuts. The dust collection system is well designed, though you'll need to purchase the optional dust hood separately. At 62 pounds, it's one of the lighter options in its class, and the built-in carrying handles make it genuinely portable. WEN PL125 215 amp 2.5-inch benchtop thickness planer. Last but certainly not least, we have the WEN PL1252, which has earned its reputation as the best value proposition in the benchtop planer market. Don't let the lower price point fool you. This machine packs a serious punch with its 15-amp motor and 2-blade cutting system operating at 8,500 RPM. During my testing, it handled boards up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick with remarkable consistency. What immediately caught my attention was the granite table. It's naturally slick and helps prevent wood from sticking during feeding. The reputable motor provides steady power through tough cuts, and the fan-assisted dust port does an admirable job of clearing chips, though you'll want to connect it to a dust collection system for optimal performance. The depth adjustment mechanism is straightforward and reliable, with clear markings that make it easy to achieve consistent results. The planer includes a material removal gauge and depth stop, which are particularly helpful for beginners. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models, it excels at its core function, producing smooth, even surfaces. At 66 pounds, it strikes a good balance between stability and portability. The included in-feed and out-feed tables are sturdy and provide good support for longer boards. There you have it, Woodworking Friends, a comprehensive look at 4 of the best benchtop planers on the market. Remember, the perfect planner for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to check out those product links in the description below and the exclusive deals in the first comment. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more woodworking tool reviews. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Drop a comment below telling me which planner caught your eye, or if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. Stay tuned for next week's video where we'll be diving into essential planner maintenance tips. Until then, keep those chips flying.